So CAG in AI, a smarter way to train your AI. Look, let's be real. Training AI isn't easy. We feed it tons of data, tweak the models, and yet the same old problems keep coming back. The model is slow, demands more and more data, and still doesn't perform as expected. Now imagine this. What if there was a way for AI to learn faster, with less data, and become more efficient? That's exactly what Contrastive Active Guidance CAG does. Today, I'm not just going to explain it to you, but I'll make sure you truly get it so you can actually apply it yourself. So let's break it down in the simplest way possible. What is CAG and how does it improve AI? There are two ways to train AI. The first is to just throw a huge data set at it and hope for the best. The second is to train it in a smarter way, so it learns faster and better with less data. CAG follows this smarter method combining two key concepts. First thing, contrastive learning. Instead of just memorizing data, AI is trained to understand the differences and similarities between data points. Think about recognizing two different faces. You don't just stare at them randomly, right? You compare key features like eye shape, nose size, and skin tone to see how they're different. AI does the same. It groups similar things together and pushes different things apart to learn better. Second thing, active learning. Rather than learning everything, AI focuses only on the most valuable information. Just like when we study, we don't memorize the entire textbook. We focus on the important topics. AI does the same, learning from the hardest, most confusing data points first to improve quickly. This means AI doesn't just memorize, it actually understands. How does CAG work? Now let's break it down technically. First thing, feature extraction. Before AI can learn, it needs to extract the most important features from the data. For this, we use models like ResNet or vision transformers for images, autoencoders for structured learning, PERT or GPT based models for text. These models convert raw data into meaningful representations. Second thing, contrastive learning. To teach AI which data points are similar and which are different, we use loss functions like info-n ce loss helps keep similar data points close. Triplet loss forces AI to recognize what belongs together and what doesn't. This way, AI builds a structured knowledge base, just like how we recognize faces not by remembering every detail, but by focusing on key differences. Third thing, active learning. Now, instead of using all data points, AI chooses only the most valuable ones to learn from. Some techniques for this are uncertainty sampling. AI picks the most confusing data points to learn from. Margin sampling. AI focuses on cases where it is unsure between two possible answers. Entropy based selection. AI learns from the hardest examples first. This ensures that the AI spends less time on easy examples and more time learning from challenging ones. Fourth thing, iterative learning. AI repeats this process again and again, continuously improving itself without needing endless data. The result? Higher accuracy with less data, faster learning, more efficient AI models. Why should you care about CAGE? Now, you might be thinking, all right, but why does this matter to me? There are three big reasons. First, you'll save training time and computing power. No more wasting resources on unnecessary data. Second, your AI will perform better. With CAG, models achieve higher accuracy in fewer training steps. Third, you'll stay ahead in AI innovation. The AI industry is shifting from more data equals better results to smarter learning equals better results. And you don't want to be left behind. How can you implement CAG in your AI projects? If you want to start using CAG, here's the process. First, prepare your data by extracting features using ResNet or vision transformers. Apply contrastive learning using loss functions like infos, NCE loss, or triplet loss in PyTorch. Integrate active learning methods so AI learns only from the most valuable data points. Once you follow this approach, your AI will be smarter, faster, and more accurate. Are you ready for the next generation of AI? Now, here's the big question. Do you want to keep training AI the old fashioned way, where it just memorizes data? Or do you want to build AI that learns smarter, adapts faster, and performs better? CAG is not just a trend, it's the future of AI training. So, my challenge to you is this: try it out, experiment, and see the difference in your AI models. Because once you see the results, you'll never want to go back to traditional AI training again. Thank you, and happy coding.